So if you've clicked on this video, odds are you are either looking to start a YouTube channel and you want to make money somehow through YouTube and you're not sure where to start, or you already have a YouTube channel, you found some success on your channel and you want to know how you can start leveraging your channel to help make money for you personally, for your brand, your business, or just as a hobby, as a side gig. That's what you're here for. So let's talk about it. We'll do that right after this. Just hit record. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Ken, the content coach. And again, in this video, we're going to talk about ways that you can make money on YouTube, whether this is something you're looking to turn into a business or if this is a side gig for you for just a little bit of extra income. I'm going to give you in this video my top 3 ways that I have been able to do so across 2 YouTube channels and the ways that I've branched out and made money from doing this. So first off, I want to give a small disclaimer in this video. I want to make sure that we are on the right foot together as we're listening to this video and understanding what I'm trying to accomplish here. Now, if your sole purpose in creating a YouTube channel is simply to make money, I would recommend, and this is my personal opinion, that is not the right way to go about it. What's going to end up happening is that you're going to lose the focus on your actual content and you're not going to get the watch time. People are not going to subscribe. They're not going to watch your videos. It's going to be evident in your content that that is not your main focus. The main focus of your channel has to be your content. I've heard it said before many times from many different people. I didn't make this up, but I firmly believe in this statement that content is king. Your content has to serve a purpose to your audience. You have to be able to solve pain points for somebody. You've got to entertain them. You've got to solve a problem for them so that they will keep coming back and watching your videos. Because at the end of the day, the number of subscribers you have does not matter. What matters is the content, the watch time, and that is what keeps your audience coming back if you're solving problems for them. So to even get to the point of making money, we have to address that first. Now that we're past that, let's talk about the top 3 ways that I've been able to make money on YouTube. And hopefully you can take these and build these into your brand also and do the same thing. So first up, and probably the most obvious, is being able to join the YouTube Partner Program. This is what we refer to as monetization on YouTube, YPP. You've seen it in many different ways, but at the end of the day, you become a paid YouTube video maker, a paid YouTuber. So the requirements for being able to join the YouTube Partner Program, there's 4 of them. First off, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. That's the first step to being able to do so. Next up, you have to have 4,000 public watch hours within the last rolling 12 months. Your account has to be set up through 2-step authentication, also known as 2-factor authentication, and your account also has to have 0 community guideline strikes. So those are the basic rules. Now, along the way of trying to get there, you can set up your YouTube account so that it will notify you when you have met the requirements. That is found in YouTube Studio. You can see that right here. So these are the requirements. YouTube will let you know when you have met that. Now, I've done this successfully, obviously not on this channel, but my previous channel, I do have a first channel that I have monetized. Even after the fact, after you have successfully enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program, you're going to start acquiring revenue throughout the month and you're going to be able to see that, how much revenue you're making. Again, the number of subscribers that you have is not the important thing. The important thing is the watch time. So that is what YouTube gauges along with the ad revenue in order to determine how much ad revenue you make. So my number 2 way of making money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is huge. This is something that spans across every niche, every industry. As a matter of fact, 84% of brands in the United States and across the world engage in some sort of affiliate marketing. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? As a basic definition, affiliate marketing is basically where you work with a company and you promote their products, you promote their services, and you receive a commission back. That commission and the way that works is going to vary based on industry and company, but at a basis, that is the basic definition of affiliate marketing. Now, this is where we'll get into my opinion. Affiliate marketing to me is more than just having a code, sharing your code, and making money. The way that I've been successful in affiliate marketing is through working directly with companies. There are many companies that I work with across a few different industries in affiliate marketing, and you can see what those are on my website. If you go to kenthecontentcoach.com/discounts, you will see the companies I'm currently working with. I have worked hands-on with all of these companies, helped them develop products, given them opinions on graphics, on branding, on ingredients, on many different things that kind of cover the scope of their business. The important part for me in affiliate marketing is that I'm helping to make a difference for these companies. I'm helping to make these companies better. And I'm helping them to come up with better ideas to provide you or the consumer, your audience, with better products And again, this is not niche specific. Mine happen to be in the beard industry and men's grooming, but this is going to be, again, niche agnostic. It doesn't matter. Whatever your YouTube channel is or whatever you're able to represent, you will be able to find a way to get in with affiliate marketing. Now, a tip that I'm going to give you on affiliate marketing is that I would recommend, and this is the way that I have been successful with affiliate marketing. Number one, I have never reached out to a company directly and said, hey, I would love to be an affiliate. I believe this, again, my own personal opinion, I think that practice is unethical. That's just my own personal opinion. I believe the company should actually choose and handpick who they want their affiliates to be. At the end of the day, the company has to be sure that the people that they're working with are able to represent their brand the way that they want them to. And so I think it's important for the company to choose. Now, how can you help yourself to maybe be in that group that the company would want to choose from? Number one, get to know the company, get to know the owners, get to know their products, build relationships with people. Don't build relationships only in an effort to be able to become an affiliate, but build relationships to get to know, because also important, just like the company needs to choose based on who they think would represent them well, you also as an influencer, as an affiliate, need to decide and choose companies based on if you think they fit your brand well. It has to work both ways. There are many affiliates in the past that I've turned down because the company, the owner, the branding, their overall public, the way that they conduct themselves would not work well for my brand, which for me is family friendly, respectable. I have turned down several affiliates and several opportunities simply because I didn't believe that company was a good fit with my brand. Now, my third and final way to make money on YouTube, and this is probably my absolute favorite way, is working directly with companies. And there are so many ways that this can be done. There's so many ways that you can work with a company. Again, this sort of goes along the lines with affiliate marketing, but you can also work with companies and not be an affiliate. You can work directly behind the scenes. So for example, I talked about a few minutes ago that a lot of my affiliates are in the men's grooming, beard care industry, stuff like that. That just happens to be what I'm interested in, what I love, what I know a lot about. There's also other ways to do it. For example, Skull Shaver, I work with Skull Shaver as an affiliate. I also work directly with the company as their TikTok manager. So I've been able to build a relationship with this company over the last 3 years, and it has turned into now where I'm basically hired by the company to help manage part of their social media. Now, how did that happen? Again, I want to go back to where I said I would not ever reach out directly to a company and say, hey, can I do this for you? Can I be an affiliate? Can I work with you? This happened organically. I did a review video for Skull Shaver a couple of years ago on the shaver that I've owned for a number of years. Skull Shaver reached out. We started as an affiliate, and now that relationship has grown. And a couple of years later, I'm working with them in social media and marketing. So that is how that's grown. That grown organically. That makes it so much better relationship-wise. You're able to build a trust with the company. They build a trust with you. It works out well. Now, this can be applied across every industry, every niche, something that you use and love, something you know a lot about, whether it's social media, how to grow on TikTok, how to grow on Instagram. The opportunities and the ways that you can work with a company are endless. What you really need to do is think about your brand, your niche, what kind of things you like, what kind of sponsorships or brand deals or anything you've been able to kind of maybe, start to work out with companies, whatever, and apply that into the overall scheme of working with a company. So again, those were my top 3 ways of making money on YouTube. Now, again, there's so many other ways. Do me a favor, leave a comment down below. If you are making money from YouTube, throw a comment down. Let us know how you're making money as much as you're comfortable sharing. How are you doing it? How did you get there? And what are some tips that you have based on your specific way of being able to make money on YouTube? Again, I want to be clear. This cannot be your first goal in starting your YouTube channel. You have to focus on content, making content that people want, solve pain points again for your audience. It's going to solve their problems. But if you get that going, then the opportunities will follow. Again, I have never asked for a single affiliate or company to work with. Building relationships, making good content, that is how those things have come into play. That's how they have grown. And this is exactly the advice that I have for you guys. It's what's worked for me. I think it would work for anybody who follows these tips. Thank you for watching this video. If I can do anything for you, feel free to reach out. You will find my email address right here. All my contact information is in the description of this video. So thanks again. Hope you guys all have a great new year. Enjoy 2022. As always, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. We will see you next time. Remember, just hit record. Have a great day, y'all.